Hey guys, Dylan Yeomans here from Worship Tones. I am back at it again with another video for you guys. Of course, you see the title below. It is for Singing Deep by Hillsong, Young and Free. This is one of my personal favorites to play and to lead in church. The message behind it is just, it's always hit home with me. It's just it's a very straightforward worship song. I mean, the message behind it is just about God's love and how, without God, we're nothing. And He gives us purpose in life, and it's just really, that's always been a really big message for me personally, and so it's just been one of my personal favorites to play, and so I thought, why not kind of show you guys how I go about playing it. I know I probably don't play it exactly how they do. It's just kind of the way that I like to play it. It's easier for me. So if it's easier for you and it helps you out in any way, then that's kind of what I'm doing this for. Let's just get straight to it. Gear for this video. This is a Harrison Guitars Telecaster. To be specific, it is the Harrison Customs Model 7. That's what it says on the headstock, so I'm guessing that's what it is. Yeah, it's kind of been my go-to guitar pretty frequently. It's a great sounding Telecaster. It's probably one of my favorites I've played. Pickups in it, nothing too special. In the bridge, it's a Seymour Duncan's vintage broadcaster. And in the neck, it's just a stock Fender Telecaster pickup that I had laying around. So nothing too special. They still sound fantastic, and especially through the Kemper behind me, it always creates great tone. And so yeah, it's just been an overall great guitar, and it looks fantastic. I mean, the neck alone is unbelievable, and it feels great. So yeah, it's kind of one of my personal favorites. So I kind of wanted to whip it out for this one. And so for the profile today, I'm using the Ben Sun Butterfly US5. It's created by guys over at ToneJunkie. Great guys, great profiles. I use a plethora of them. Not even in church, but just in jam sessions. They sound fantastic. I'll leave a link in the description below to their store, so you can go check that. So you can go purchase this one if you like this one. Yeah, shout out to Jonathan Sullivan. Those guys over there at ToneJunkie are fantastic. They create great profiles, so definitely check them out. I'll leave a link to their YouTube channel too. I believe they have a YouTube channel, so if they do, I'll leave a link for their YouTube channel. A little plug there. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to the video.